I'm Jessy from Philippines, and I decided to make a video because I'm about to begin my keratin treatment on my own. Do-it-yourself keratin treatment. Bali yung product na gagamitin ko, ginaya ko lang din sa YouTube na napanood ko. Yung product na ginamit niya is the CHOCO. Sinearch ko is keratin treatment product without formaldehyde. So, formaldehyde free siya, 250 ml bottle. Good for 3 to 4 use. Yung ingredients niya, actually madami. Marami siyang extract like seed oil, jojoba, kernel oil, vitamin E. Malabo siya. Oh my god. But you can search that on eBay. Then, meron din procedure. So, then, yung gagamitin kong clarifying shampoo. Kasi hindi basta-basta shampoo yung gagamitin sa pag-wash ng hair. So, Human Nature. Hindi ko ito pinopromote sadyang ito lang yung nakita kong clarifying shampoo sa Trinoma. And, hindi siya masyadong expensive. Only 149.75. So, ano oras na? It's 7:23 PM. So, ito yung hair ko. Magsha-shampoo na ako. Post ko muna.
A few moments later.
So, this is my hair after I blow dried it. And this is the 60 ml content of 60 ml CHOCO. So it's just enough for my hair. I use the measuring cup so that for the 60 ml. I will apply it now.
Eventually.
So, I just finished applying the CHOCO keratin treatment. So, I'll wait for 10 minutes before I will blow dry it and iron. So, it's halfway done, guys. Excited na, catch. Okay, this is the half, the other half. So, kung i-compare mo siya, oh my god. You can really see the difference. Okay, continue ko na ulit. You can really smell bad. Low battery. So at least 5 times in every hair, in every section of the hair.